It's another Make It March video day. This collaboration is hosted by Lisa at SuttonsDaze, and here are the other collaborators. We have Linda from Linda's Pantry, Linda from Tuliloo Creates, Anna from the Fermented Homestead, Tiffany from Hamakua Homestead, Renee from Pike's Creek Farm, and Mike and Jenny Pratt from the Pratt Homestead, and me, Prepper Potpourri. So the whole object of this collaboration is to use canned goods and things that we have in our pantry. We're trying to show you how you can make a fast, hearty meal for your family using your own canned goods. So today I'm going to use two things I've canned: sweet and sour cabbage and round steak with onions. And we are going to make a stir fry. That's right. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? It's so fast and so easy. Don't forget, be sure you watch every single Make It March video and comment on each one, because then you'll be qualified to win one of the 3 great prizes. Lisa is giving away a Presto pressure canner, and our friends at 4 Jars have made up 2 gift baskets, one of which includes a $100 Visa gift card, and the other one includes a $50 Visa gift card. So watch all the videos and comment. So in today's recipe for our canned goods, we're going to have our steak and onions. It was canned November of 21. And then I'm going to use probably about half a jar of our sweet sour cabbage. I'll probably use the other half of the sweet sour cabbage with bratwurst tomorrow night. It's a great combination. And then we're going to need 12 ounces here of vegetable stir fry. Any Asian vegetables will do. And we're going to have a teaspoon of minced garlic and a teaspoon of minced ginger and already pre-cooked rice. And then for the sauce, we are going to use broth from our steak and onions, 1.5 teaspoons sugar, and 4 teaspoons cornstarch, and 3 tablespoons soy sauce. So let's get started. Drain your round steak and save 1/4 cup of the broth. Take a fork and flake up the meat so it's shredded. Now we're going to put in the 1/2 cup of broth from our canned meat, 3 teaspoons sugar, so 1, 2, 3. And 3 tablespoons soy sauce. We're using the less sodium soy sauce. Again, it's whatever you have on hand is fine. And we need 4 teaspoons cornstarch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. We just want to combine it all. Smush that up. And it smells very soy-y. I love the smell of soy sauce though. Sauce is ready. I'm going to put a frozen vegetables in here. I got a tablespoon of oil on. We're just going to cook them for about 6 or 7 minutes. Now we're just going to pop the top off our cabbage. Yeah, very good peel. Now we're just going to pour some of it. And just a little more. There we go. Maybe. There we go. And I'm going to put in maybe about 2 like that. I love these. Makes it so easy for ginger because I never use up a full thing of ginger. There we go. Now we're just waiting on the vegetables. Now the vegetables need to cook for another 3 or 4 minutes, but I'm going to add our meat and cabbage and ginger and garlic at this time. All just nice and warmed up. Back. Time to add our sauce. Now we're going to let that cook. Thicken up just a little bit. Go into the meat and our veggies. Give everything a great flavoring. Okay, we're ready to serve. Rice in the bowl. Now let's put some of this. Make sure we get enough veggies here. Smells so good. Let it just cool off a little bit, and then it's taste test time. Okay, taste test time. Big piece of broccoli here. Oh, really good. Let's do a little meat here. A little rice. An excellent taste. The sweet and sour cabbage, give it kind of another layer, but then we have the soy sauce and the vegetables and the meat. I mean, this is delicious. And you can make it so fast for your family. You really need to try stir-fried round steak and sweet and sour cabbage because it is absolutely delicious. And I urge you to watch the rest of the Make It March videos. And if you're interested in some other canning recipes, check this video out.